Friends, faculties, Christites, lend me your ears. Lend me.
Alpha, stick to the script.
Sure thing, beta. I will stick to the script. It's just a fancy dream I want to complete. So very hearty and cheerful good morning to one and all present over here. Here to present you the list of the selected candidates for the CR race of our class 1 BSc Economics Honors. And the nominations are: the first guy in the list is quite popular. He is none other than Mr. Sigma. Please give a big round of applause, guys, for Sigma. Sigma always deserves that, asks for it. Come on, Sigma, show your flexes.
Alpha, so Mr. Sigma over here is a national level footballer. Also, he's a maths department champion. We can definitely say that Mr. Sigma holds the true potential to be a class representative.
Next on the list of nominations, we have a very elegant lady. And I'm getting choked while saying this because I can be more elegant than this. None other than Miss Delta.
Miss Delta is an all-time topper of our class. She's also a state level debater. Miss Delta definitely and will lead our class with harmony and motivation.
Next on the list, we have Mr. Gamma.
Mr. Gamma. Mr. Gamma is well known for being the good boy of our class, and he also teaches at a local NGO. Such good deeds.
Yeah. So guys, to persuade you all, this list of candidates have been selected by the students of our class, and the final decision lies in the hand of our class teacher, Miss Hussain. Ma'am?
Ma'am?
I would say Gamma.
I guess I'm having some network issues. I heard Gamma.
Some bandwidth problem.
Yeah, I mean, are you sure, ma'am?
Like, you heard that right. Gamma is the class representative. The class representative has been chosen with careful character analysis. I would like each one of you to give a big round of applause.
Good evening, Ms. Hussain. Actually, the class had a consideration if we could please have re-elections for the class representative.
Well, I suppose you aren't forgetting the fact that you are the one who is elected. Shall we consider that?
Yes, ma'am. I suppose that it is the class who shall be completely satisfied with the results. And if they are not, I would prefer to go for a re-election.
Alright, I shall conduct a small session tomorrow. Please do me a favor by informing your classmates about it.
Surely, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks for joining the session. There's no such class schedule. Can I leave? No, the attendance shall be taken. Someone please drop a message in your unofficial group for the Hive students who already left the meeting. So, children, today your session shall be conducted by Professor Tangent, who is an eminent child psychologist and is an associate professor in Delhi University and has 10 years of teaching experience.
Thank you for the flattering introduction, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning, students. I have some important announcements to make. It has been brought to my notice that you are not happy with the CR decision that has been made yesterday. So today the final decision will be taken and there will be no fiddling with the decision. Okay? So I want... It's 9 in the morning. Why are you guys dead? I want active participation in this class. Guys, show some energy. Okay, fine, whatever. So now let's do one thing. We'll set up an event where the event will have 2-3 rounds and the students will have to answer the questions I asked. Fine? So first round will be a quiz round. I assume all my worthy candidates are not afraid of unexpected questions, right?
Sir, I believe my fellow competitors might have an objection with the methodology of the selection criteria. So, because we have a quiz head department in the house, so.
Good to know. Good to know. We will analyze this later. Okay. So first off, I require a volunteer. Anybody? Anybody? And since you guys won't participate, I have to select someone. Lambda, are you in the meeting? Yeah. Okay. So the first question, the candidate raising his hand will get to answer the first question. Each candidate has got 5 seconds to answer. Okay. So are we good? The participants are ready?
We are ready, sir.
Okay. Starting with the first question. What is Lambda's core field of interest? Yeah, Delta?
What kind of a question is that?
Time's up. Sigma?
Dancing?
No. You remember last week we had an inter-department dance competition. Did you saw me dancing over there? Or did you ever see me dancing?
It's your turn, Gamma.
I'm not pretty sure, but I have seen her being very active in the art and cultural department. She also has an Instagram page which I personally adore. So I believe it has to be art and culture department.
Yes, exactly. You know what? You are my only two friends.
Interesting round. Thank you, Lambda. Thank you. Gamma 2.
Sorry to intervene, sir, but I suppose this method of analyzing just does not seem justified to me.
Okay, fair enough. Well, in that case, my next question will be worth 6 marks. Each participant has an equal chance of winning now, so I think it's okay with you guys. Let me know when you guys are ready.
We are ready, sir.
Okay.
Ready, sir.
So the question is, 1 second, I'm getting a call. Yes, ma'am? Sure, ma'am, I'll let them know. So yeah, guys, I have an important announcement to make, that your class teacher will be selecting 3 names there's a research project at SEBI. So the 3 guys will be going on an all paid trip with the master students to SEBI. So yeah, this is going to be a long trip, but this will hamper the class schedule because a lot of events are lined up and the CR will be required in the meeting. So seems like you 3 are in a bit of a dilemma. So what are you going to do, students? Delta?
So will this event have any sort of weightage in our student?
Or perhaps some valuable certificate?
Yes. It shall upgrade your score by 5 points. Gamma, you want to say something?
Yeah. So actually, I wanted to know, with your permission, that will the knowledge of the events be shared by the attendees of the faculty when they return?
Yes. I'll make sure that happens.
I'm ready to get rid of my name from the CR candidate. Yes.
Is there any form we need to fill?
Students, I don't think you understand, but you will be having a lot of events lined up as a CR in the future. Your fellow mates and teachers will appreciate if a CR is present throughout. Rethink your decision. I need your response to Gamma.
So since the minutes would be shared, I would be more than willing to join them.
Okay, Delta?
I dropped my name already, so... Yeah.
I'm out too.
Okay, so congratulations to Gamma. You have scored a perfect 8 out of 8.
8 out of 8? Where did the 6 marks come from?
The situational question was worth 6 marks, my friends.
Oh, I don't understand.
Take your time, you will understand.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate the Teachers' Day, the day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. The connection between the students and the teachers is at the heart of learning. A motivator, an inspiration, an enthusiast. These 3 qualities are just a few of the many you share with us every day. Too often, we rush through the ropes of life, oblivious to the importance of taking the time to express the gratitude and the genuine appreciation for the support you so generously provide for the development as not only students but also as the global citizens. Thank you to all the teachers out there to show us that how powerful you are as individual and as a profession. You really showed us all that the special needs are not a hindrance to climb the steepest wall. The light and Miss Sajak, you are our mentor or guide and our spark. Thank you.